If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Garmin Connect, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed correctly. Step 1. Open Garmin Connect app. Launch the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your transfers. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. In the app, locate the menu or dashboard where you can find the Transfer section. This is typically found under the main menu or Settings. Step 3. Find Pending Transfers. Look for a list of pending transfers within the Transfers section. This will display any transfers that are currently in progress or awaiting completion. Step 4. Select the transfer to cancel. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer, which may be labeled as cancel or delete. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the transfer is successfully cancelled. After following these steps, your pending transfer should be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the Garmin support page for additional assistance.